We're out here in Pawleys Island. We are at the parking lot south, and I mean, you pretty much just take this road all the way down, and it's awesome because this looks like a giant peninsula. Gotta find a place to sit. So what do you think of this location?
This is crazy.
Wow, you're going fast. Got the locals wondering what this loud bug is. You finally got that water shot?
Yeah. Wow.
He's seeing it directly through those goggles. It's just this little guy right here. It's capable of up to 80 miles per hour.
Feels like I'm in it, you know.
Yep.
You're like the pilot.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty insane.
Probably 3 miles from here because there's no trees.
Right.
If he looks away, he's A-okay. It'll just hover.
No way.
The ones they race with, those, if you let go of anything, they'll drop.
Yeah.
Don't hit anyone. That's the #1 goal. We've got sand in every direction. It looks like we're actually on an island, and there's tons of this seagrass. So we're getting some low shots. We're getting some beach shots, and hopefully we're not annoying the locals too much. Yeah, definitely gotta be careful with all these people. Wow, yeah, this looks gorgeous. Gives me that warning that I'm too low. Yeah, it says about 8 feet.
No, it's not even that.
Every angle is just perfect. After going from in there to straight sun, wow. I love this place. Whew, yeah, that's a little scary.